Hey there! Welcome back to Money Sips, where we break down the big money moves into sippable steps. I'm Laura Santana, and today we're diving into something super cool and revolutionary. ChatGPT. What is it? Where did it come from? And most importantly, how can you use it to generate income? So, grab your favorite drink and let's get started. So, what's ChatGPT, you ask? ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Think of it as your super smart, always there friend who knows a bit about everything. It's a smart AI from OpenAI that can read and write text just like a person based on what you ask it to do. Let's take a little stroll down memory lane. OpenAI, the brains behind ChatGPT, started developing this incredible technology back in 2015. They wanted to create an AI that could communicate just like us. Fast forward a few years, and voila! By 2020, we had GPT-3, the third generation of this AI, which is now capable of understanding context, creating content, and even cracking jokes. Imagine having a friend who's read all the books, seen all the movies, never forgets, and can give you all the clever answers you might need. Now here's where it gets exciting. ChatGPT has revolutionized so many industries. It's helping businesses with customer service, assisting writers with brainstorming, supporting programmers with coding, and even entertaining people with interactive storytelling. Basically, it's like having your own personal assistant. All right, let's get to the juicy part, making money with ChatGPT. Here are the top 3 ways you can turn this tech marvel into your personal cash cow. Freelance, writing and content creation. With ChatGPT, you can produce high-quality articles, blog posts, and social media content in no time. Here's how to get started. The first step is to sign up on freelance platforms. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to start and offer your services. Highlight your AI-assisted writing skills. Mention ChatGPT on your profile to stand out. And most importantly, look for content writing gigs and bid on them. Use ChatGPT to draft the initial proposals and always deliver quality work. Then use ChatGPT to generate the drafts and finally polish them with your personal touch. And just like that, you're on your way to earning some serious cash. Creating and selling digital products. ChatGPT can help you generate a variety of digital products that you can sell online. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to generate income this way. First, you need to identify your niche. Find a topic you're passionate about, and you can create and sell ebooks or guides. People always want to learn new things. You can use ChatGPT to write comprehensive ebooks or how-to guides. You can cover anything from fitness tips to marketing strategies to designing online courses. You can develop course content using ChatGPT to outline and write the materials. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy are great for hosting your courses. You can use ChatGPT to create digital templates for resumes, business plans, or social media posts. These are valuable resources that people are willing to pay for. Upload your products to these platforms and watch the income flow in. AI-assisted social media management. Social media is a huge part of any business, and managing it effectively can be a challenge. Here's how you can use ChatGPT to offer social media management services. First, you need to learn the basics of social media marketing. Second, understand how different platforms work and what kind of content performs well. Third, Create a service offering. Outline the services you'll provide, such as content creation, scheduling posts, and engagement. Fourth, use ChatGPT to create this content and be specific with the details. Generate engaging posts, captions, and even respond to comments using ChatGPT. It can help you maintain a consistent and engaging online presence for your clients. Fifth, analyze and optimize. Use analytics tools to track the performance of your posts and adjust your strategy accordingly. Show your clients how your services are driving engagement and growth. With these steps, you can turn social media into a lucrative business opportunity. And there you have it. ChatGPT is not just a fascinating piece of technology. It's a goldmine of opportunities waiting for you. Whether you're a writer, digital creator, or just a curious human being, there's a way for you to tap into this and start earning. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Money Sips for more sippable financial tips. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and as always, here's to making money, one sip at a time. Cheers.